Namaskar and welcome to another exciting journey of mathematics with me. I am Shanti Pise, Senior Teaching Associate in Mathematics Education in ISER Pune, and I also welcome all the teachers from NIE Sakal Group. Mathematics is so closely related to our real life. You don't believe it? I am going to prove it with a simple example today. So we all have various expressions on our face and we show it usually nowadays with smileys, right? So I have some smileys for you. So what is this smiley for? Yes, it is a smiling smiley. So shows very happy feeling. Now I have another smiley which shows an emotion of very sad. Another one says nothing, means I don't know, I don't want to say anything. And I have the last emoji or smiley with me which is showing that I'm very happy, showing all the teeth, right? So how we have various emojis in our life or expressions, we also have various expressions in mathematics, and those are called as algebraic expressions. Now let us understand what do we mean by algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions have three major things in it. The first one is it has numbers like 1, 2, 3. It can also have 0 or negative numbers like -1, -2 and so on. It also has various operations, right? Like addition, multiplication, subtraction, I'm using here, and division. Along with this, it has a very important thing that is called as variables. Now, what do we mean by variables? Variable means the quantity that varies, that changes. But how to denote variables? We use letters from alphabets like A, B, C, D to denote variables. So, it will have variables in the form X, Y, A, B and so on. So what does our mathematical expression consist of? It consists of numbers, it consists of various operations and it consists of various variables. The first thing is what I am going to denote with is x plus 5. So this is an algebraic expression. It has a variable, it has a number that is called as constant, and it has an operation in the form of addition. So we can say that here it is smiling. Why? Because they have got 5 more, right? Now I have another expression, x minus 10. So here if you see in this expression, the 10 quantity is removed from x, right? So this is sad. So we can say that x minus 5 is a sort of sad expression for mathematics. But don't worry, we also have interesting 2x plus 4. Whoa! So here what is happening is the variable is now multiplied with 2 and it is added to 4. So we have one more greater expression, and I also have another expression as 25x minus 2. So we can see that how in our life we have expressions. Same way in mathematics we also have mathematical expressions. I have a very interesting example to share with you with the help of biscuits. Now in this pack I have 15 biscuits here, and now see what will happen. I'm going to open this biscuit pack, and as I open this biscuit pack, Divya and Aryan are snatching and eating all the biscuits. Oh, the plate is now empty. But who ate how much? How would I come to know? This is what will help me. What will help me is algebraic expression will help me to find out who ate how many. You want to know that? Let's see. Okay, so Aryan and Divya both emptied the entire plate. Now, who ate how many? How would I come to know this? So, Divya said, I don't know how many I have ate, but I know that Aryan ate 5 more than me. Now, let's find out how many both of them ate with the help of expressions, right? So, this I am representing it by x. So, Divya ate some x. Now, I know that Divya was saying Aryan ate 5 more. So, if I want to make an expression for Aryan. How I will make that? Aryan has X and there is something else. He also have 5 more. So this will become as X plus 5. So Aryan has the expression X plus 5 and Divya has the expression X. Now we know that total there were 15 biscuits, right? Now how I can form this in a form of equation? So we have the equation to X plus 5 is equal to 15. Now how I can solve this equation? What I have to do is I have to find the value of X, and in order to find the value of X, I have to get all the other numbers on the right hand side, right? If I want to get all the numbers on the right hand side, what I need to do is first and foremost is I have to get rid of this 5. How can I get rid of this 5? I have to subtract 5 from here. If I subtract 5 from here, I will get rid of this 5 here. But I cannot do this only on left hand side. I also have to do this on the right hand side. So subtracting 5 here on the right hand side. So what do I get here? I get here 2x plus 5 minus 5 actually will become 0, right? And here 15 minus 5, so we will get here as 10. So this equation now becomes little simpler. 2x is equal to 10. Now 2x, that is twice x, right? 2 times x also. So 2 is multiplied here with x. So if I want to get rid of this 2, what should I do? I have to divide this so that I will get here 1. Similarly, I have to do the division on other side. So what I am going to do is I am going to divide here by 2 and here also I am going to divide by 2. So 2 and 2, this cancels out and it becomes here 1, and 2 and 10 here cancels out and I get here as 5. So here what do we get? 1 times x is nothing but x. So the answer we get here is x is equal to 5. Tada! So we have found out how many biscuits Divya ate and how many biscuits Aryan ate. Aryan ate how many biscuits? Did you find that? No, right? So we know that Aryan ate 5 more than Divya. And how many Divya ate? 5. So 5 more than that is actually 10. So Aryan ate 10 biscuits and Divya ate 5 biscuits. So mystery is solved. With the help of what we have solved this mystery? This is called as linear equation in one variable. I have an interesting mathematical problem for all of you, but it relates to Divya's family. You see here, we have here Divya, mother, father, grandmother, brother and aunt. And the interesting thing is that I know what is Divya's age, and that is 20 years. So Divya is 20-year-old, and I know mother's age, that is 44, father is 49, grandmother is 75, aunt is 36, and younger brother 16 years old. Now I know the age now, and I have to find out expressions. Can I find out expressions? Relation with Divya and mother, Divya and grandmother, Divya and brother, Divya and aunt. Can we find out that? Let's try one. I will do one for you and rest you try yourself. In fact, you can also have your own age in the center and find out the other ages and expressions of your own family. Let's try Divya's relationship with mother in terms of her age. We have seen that Divya's mother age is 44 years and Divya's age is 20 years. So the difference between their ages is 24 years, right? We know this. Now, one type of expression what I can form here is, if Divya's age is X years, then mother's age will be X plus 24, right? So mother's age can be x plus 24. This will be a very simple expression, and I can find out mother's age if I know Divya's age. I can find out one more relationship with Divya's age and Divya's mother's age. What can be this relationship is, if you see 24 years is the difference. So if I multiply Divya's age 2 times, that is twice, it will become 40. And if you can see here, 40 plus 4. So 40 plus 4 will give me mother's age. This I have already done for you. So if you can see mother's age or Divya's age with this expression. Now you can see that this is a very interesting way we found that the relationship in the form of mathematical expression. Similarly, can you find out the relationship with father, with aunt, with grandmother and brother? Similarly, mathematics has lot of things to offer. There are many videos which I am making in mathematics. Please visit my YouTube channel Shanti Pise. Like, subscribe and share. Thank you.